Mike Gebhardt, Coldwell Banker Realty in Boulder. I want to talk to you about open houses and your search for a home. I respectfully disagree with buyers who think that they're going to find their home through going to open houses. I absolutely think you should go to open houses when you start shopping to figure out what you're liking in a house, what features and benefits you need in a house. However, when you're ready to pull the trigger and you're down to brass tacks and you know you have your wish list, you know exactly what you need an agent, whether it's me or someone else. You need a broker, a realtor, or a real estate agent to search, who's going to call you one day on a Tuesday or a Wednesday and say, what time do you get off of work today? We have to go see this house tonight. Because that house that's priced right, that has everything you need, that's in great shape, will be in contract by the weekend. The house you want to buy will not be at an open house. I've been doing this for a little while. You will not buy a house at an open house. It very, very rarely happens. We do open houses for the seller to get exposure, and we do open houses so I can get buyers on a sign-in sheet. That doesn't help you. If you want to buy a house, get an agent to represent you who's looking for what you're trying to buy. Mike Gebhardt, 303-681-7006.